My business made money at 3 a.m. last Tuesday, and I was completely asleep. No team, no freelancers, no overnight shifts. Just 7 AI automations running on loop. And the last one on this list is so powerful, it almost feels illegal to share. Before we dive in, you need to understand something. 2026 is not the year to experiment with AI. It's the year businesses that ignored it get wiped out. Stay until the end because automation number 7 is the one most so-called gurus refuse to talk about. Let's go. Let's set the stage. Running a solo business used to mean working 14-hour days, chasing leads, writing emails, posting content, handling support, all while trying to actually deliver your product. That model is dead. AI automation has completely replaced the grind. In 2026, the smartest solo operators run lean, automated systems that work 24 hours a day without burnout, without sick days, and without a single complaint. What I'm about to show you are the exact 7 automations powering my entire business right now. Automation number 1, AI lead generation on autopilot. Every single day while you sleep, an AI agent scrapes, qualifies, and scores hundreds of potential leads based on your ideal customer profile. No cold calling spreadsheets, no guesswork, just a live pipeline waiting for you each morning. The AI doesn't just find anyone, it scores them. It checks engagement signals, company size, recent activity, spending behavior, and cross-references your best past customers to find the closest matches. You wake up to a ranked list of warm, pre-qualified leads every morning. I tested this for 30 days straight. My lead volume tripled. My close rate went up 40%, and I spent exactly 0 hours manually prospecting. The AI handled it while I took my dog for a walk. That alone would pay for every tool in this stack 10 times over. But wait, finding leads is only half the battle. What happens when nobody follows up fast enough? You lose them. That's where automation number 2 comes in, and this one runs a full sales conversation without you typing a single word. Automation number 2, AI sales outreach and follow-up. The moment a lead enters your system, an AI sends a personalized first message referencing their specific pain points, their industry, even their recent content within 60 seconds. Most humans can't respond that fast, let alone at 2 a.m. The AI then follows up. Not spammy blasts, but context-aware sequences. If a lead opens an email but doesn't reply, it sends a different message. If they click a link, it escalates. The system reads behavior and adapts in real time, exactly like a skilled human sales rep would. I had a lead reach out at 4 a.m. asking about pricing. The AI handled the entire conversation, answered objections, sent a case study, and booked a discovery call, all before my alarm went off. When I woke up, there was a meeting on my calendar. That's the power of this stack. And if you think the next automation isn't even more powerful than that, you're wrong. Automation number 3 handles something most business owners spend 10 hours a week on and absolutely dread. Stay with me, because this one genuinely shocked me when I first set it up. Automation number 3, AI content creation and publishing. Your blog posts, LinkedIn articles, short-form social content, email newsletters, all written, formatted, scheduled, and published by AI, running on a content calendar you set once. Your brand voice stays consistent even when you're on vacation. In 2026, the AI doesn't write generic fluff. It researches trending topics in your niche, analyzes your top-performing old content, learns your tone, and produces pieces that sound unmistakably like you. Editors who used to read my drafts genuinely can't tell the difference anymore. The publishing side is just as automated. The AI selects optimal post times based on your audience's engagement history, resizes images for each platform, adds hashtags, cross-posts everywhere, and even recycles evergreen pieces on a rotation. Your content engine never stops, even on holidays. 3 automations in, and we haven't even touched the one that completely replaced my customer support team. But before we get there, here's a quick reality check. Every one of these tools exists right now in 2026 and costs less per month than a single freelancer's hourly rate. Automation number 4, AI customer support. This is the one that changed everything for me. My AI support agent handles every inbound question, complaint, refund request, and technical issue, resolving over 5,000 ticket inquiries without any human ever getting involved. The AI is trained on your entire knowledge base, your product docs, FAQs, past support tickets, refund policies, everything. When a customer asks a question, it searches, synthesizes, and responds in a warm, brand-consistent tone within seconds. Customers often don't even realize they're talking to an AI. And when something is too complex, a really upset customer, an edge case, the AI knows to escalate. It flags it with a full summary and suggested response, so when you do step in, you spend 2 minutes instead of 20. It's like having a brilliant assistant who does all the prep work. Customer satisfaction went up. My response times dropped from hours to seconds, and I haven't personally answered a support email in 4 months. 4 months. Meanwhile, the next automation is generating passive income directly, and most people set it up in under an afternoon. Automation number 5. AI-powered sales funnel optimization. Your funnel never sleeps, but in 2026, neither does the AI optimizing it. Every headline, CTR button, pricing page, and checkout flow gets continuously A/B tested and automatically updated based on real conversion data without you touching a thing. The AI monitors where visitors drop off, why they don't buy, what objections appear in their behavior patterns, and it tests fixes automatically. 1 month, this AI found a single word change on my pricing page that increased conversions by 23%. I didn't write it. I didn't test it. This isn't just split testing. It's an AI that understands the psychology of your specific audience and iterates toward maximum revenue 24 hours a day. The funnel you built on day 1 looks almost nothing like it does after 90 days of AI optimization. It evolves. 5 down, 2 to go. And I want you to pay close attention to automation number 6, because this one is specifically designed for recurring revenue, the kind that stacks while you sleep. But first, a mini reality check on how these automations actually connect to each other. These 7 automations aren't isolated tools, they're an ecosystem. Leads flow from automation 1 into 2. Content from automation 3 feeds the funnel in 5. Support data from 4 trains the system in 6. The magic is in how they talk to each other, creating a self-reinforcing business engine. Automation number 6. AI retention and upsell engine. Getting a customer is expensive. Keeping them and growing them is where the real money is. This automation monitors every customer's behavior, predicts when they're about to churn, and triggers personalized re-engagement campaigns before they even think about leaving. The same AI also identifies upsell moments, when a customer's usage spikes, when they hit a limit, when they achieve a milestone, and automatically sends a perfectly timed, personalized offer. Not a blast email, a targeted, behavioral triggered message that feels like it was written specifically for them. My monthly recurring revenue grew 31% in the first quarter I deployed this. Not from new customers, but from existing ones spending more and staying longer. The AI found money I was already leaving on the table and picked it up for me automatically every single day. Now, before I reveal automation number 7, the one I almost didn't include because it felt almost too powerful to share publicly, I need you to understand that this final piece is what transforms a business from automated to genuinely self-scaling. This one changes the entire game. Automation number 7, AI business intelligence and decision engine. This isn't just a dashboard. This is an AI that reads every data point across your entire business. Revenue, churn, ad spend, content performance, support load, and tells you exactly what to do next to grow faster. Every morning, before you drink your coffee, you get an AI-generated brief. What's working, what's breaking, where revenue is leaking, which customer segment is growing, which automation needs tweaking, and 3 specific action items ranked by ROI. It's like having a world-class business analyst on staff forever. The wildest part. In 2026, this AI doesn't just report, it acts. It reallocates ad budgets in real time. It pauses underperforming campaigns. It scales winning ones. It adjusts pricing dynamically. It makes hundreds of micro decisions a day that a human CFO would charge 6 figures a year to manage. I compared my Q1 results from 2026 to the previous year. Revenue up 287%. Working hours down 70%. Customer satisfaction scores at an all-time high. Stress level? The lowest it's been since I started the business. These 7 automations didn't just help my business. They completely rebuilt it. Let me give you a quick recap so you can screenshot this. 1. AI lead generation. 2. AI sales outreach. 3. AI content creation. 4. AI customer support. 5. AI funnel optimization. 6. AI retention and upsell. 7. AI business intelligence. 7 systems. 1 automated business. Now, here's the honest truth most automation videos won't tell you. These systems don't run perfectly on day 1. They need data, they need training, they need 30 to 60 days of learning your business. The people who give up in week 2 never see the results. The number 1 mistake people make is trying to build all 7 automations at once. Don't. Start with automation number 4, customer support. It delivers the fastest ROI, frees the most time immediately, and gives your AI system its first big data set to learn from. What tools am I actually using? In 2026, the AI automation stack has matured. You have purpose-built agents for each function, low-code workflow builders that connect everything, and centralized AI orchestration platforms that make these 7 systems talk to each other seamlessly without a developer. The total monthly cost of my entire automation stack in 2026? Under $800. The value it generates? Conservative estimate, over $40,000 a month in revenue influenced, time saved, and costs avoided. The ROI math on AI automation in 2026 is genuinely insane. People ask me, is this cheating? Are you really running your business or just watching AI run it? Here's my answer. Every entrepreneur who used a calculator instead of doing math in their head was cheating too. Tools are tools. The ones who refuse to use them just fall behind. Here's what your day actually looks like when these 7 automations are live. You wake up. You review your AI morning brief, 10 minutes. You make 2 or 3 strategic decisions based on AI recommendations. Then you work on the creative, relationship-building, vision work only you can do. The automations handle everything else. Leads come in, emails go out, content posts, support tickets get resolved, funnels optimize, customers get retained, revenue gets analyzed. All while you're at the gym, at dinner, on vacation, or asleep. The business becomes a machine you steer, not a treadmill you run. The biggest mindset shift required? Trusting the system. Most entrepreneurs are control freaks, myself included. Handing decisions to an AI felt wrong at first. Then the results came in. Then I stopped second-guessing. Trust comes from evidence, and the evidence is hard to argue with. One more thing before we close out. Automation isn't just for big businesses or tech companies. In 2026, I've seen florists, fitness coaches, copywriters, consultants, and e-commerce sellers running these exact same systems. If you have a business and a laptop, you can automate it. And if you're sitting there thinking, I don't know where to start, go back to automation 4. Customer support. Set that up first. In 2026, there are AI support tools that onboard in a single afternoon with no coding. Run it for 2 weeks. Watch what it frees up. Then build the next one. The businesses that thrive in 2026 and beyond won't be the ones with the most employees. They'll be the ones with the best trained AI systems, the tightest automations, and operators smart enough to let the machines do what machines do best, so they can do what humans do best. 7 automations. Leads, outreach, content, support, funnel optimization, retention, and intelligence. Each one powerful alone. Together, they're an unstoppable business engine that never clocks out, never calls in sick, and never asks for a raise. That's the business I'm running in 2026.